Meaning of inexorable.
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 Inexorable. The word inexorable refers to something that is unstoppable and cannot be influenced or changed. It is often used to describe a process or force that proceeds steadily towards its inevitable conclusion without regard for any obstacles or attempts at interference. The inexorable result of such a process is one that cannot be prevented or altered, no matter how much effort may be exerted to try. This can lead to feelings of frustration or helplessness on the part of those affected by the outcome.